my channel, and if you're new, hi, welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna be making mango lassi because I've been craving for mango lassi and it's almost the end of summer. Well, actually now it is the end of summer, but by the time I made this video it was towards the end of summer. So this is just a recipe to wrap up the summer and I hope you guys enjoy it. Let's go!
Dice up one very ripe mango. But wait! Let's do this! I crushed 5 cardamom pods. Use the mortar and pestle to crush the seeds inside. Or you can just use ground cardamom. Now set aside the crushed cardamom. Pour in half of the mango into the blender. Half cup of plain Chobani yogurt. And half cup of milk.
So we're gonna add a little bit of spice.
Cardamom is optional, but personally, I like the spice. Blend it all into a smooth consistency. This is optional, but you can top with a dash of cinnamon. I chose Vietnamese cinnamon and mango pieces. It's tasting time.
A little bit too much cardamom. Not very sweet.
Not very sweet.
Mm-hmm.
Is that a good thing or a bad thing?
To your preference.
Enjoy!
Alright, so truth be told, as you can see, I did add a little bit more cardamom than necessary. Your girl thinks that a dash of cardamom equals 5 pods of cardamom, so that was a little bit too much. I mean, I like cardamom, so like I thought I was gonna be good at it, but yeah, it was kind of overwhelming. The next time, I will definitely put in more mango to get the enhancement of mango flavored, but you can still taste the mango. It's very creamy and it was really smooth. I just think that there was a little bit too much cardamom. Oh well, everybody learns. So now thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to like this video and hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you know when the next time I upload. Thank you guys. Bye!